you want 2026 to actually feel different, you don't need a massive plan. You just need a few skills that make life smoother, easier, and genuinely more enjoyable. 1. Money discipline. This is where most people fall. You need to know where your money goes, cut the pointless spending, save a little, invest a little. It's not about becoming rich overnight, it's about gaining control over your future. 2. Using AI the smart way. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to make life easier. Planning, creating, researching, organizing. If you know how to use it well, you save time, and saved time becomes earned money. 3. Clear communication. Being able to speak clearly, write clearly, and explain things without confusion, that's a real-life cheat code. People trust you more. People want to work with you. Opportunities simply show up when you sound confident and direct. 4. Emotional awareness. This isn't weakness, it's strength. Know what you feel. Know why you react the way you do. Once you gain emotional control, stress stops running your life and everything becomes lighter and clearer. 5. Focus. The real superpower. If you can sit down, lock in, and finish what you start without getting pulled in every direction, you immediately rise above the crowd. Your attention is your paycheck, and losing focus is the most expensive habit people have. 2026 won't magically transform your life, but you can. Build these skills slowly, and you'll see everything start to fall into place, not because of luck, but because you finally took charge of your direction.